Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. This is Simaligas. For today's video I want to show you how Bollinger Band works and how you can use it actually. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. And if you haven't liked, please like on this very video so that we can break the YouTube algorithm. So with that said, let's move to the video. First of all, what you have to understand with Bollinger Bands, the way how you can set it. So this is where you're going to find the Bollinger Bands. This is how Bollinger Bands looks like. Bollinger Bands is a momentum indicator that predicts two standard deviations of upper and lower lines. So what I mean by those lines, this is the upper line and this is the lower line. This is the middle line. So sometimes I take Bollinger Bands to be a combination of moving averages and support and resistance. So if you don't know how to use support and resistance, please go in this very channel and check on that video, it is there. I'm going to make for you a video how you can use moving average. Just click on this very channel and you will learn everything. So the way how you can set Bollinger Bands, first of all you go on setting. So Bollinger Bands move in 20 days and in a mute of 2. Sometimes this is a standard of 2, but you can change depending on how you want your price to move. So when you change it, might be to 1. The only problem with 1, it gives a lot of buying and selling signals, but they are not accurate. That's the only problem with 1. So when you change it to 2, the price moves within the Bollinger Bands compared to 1 mute. And you can see that it can give you a good signals compared to when you are using 1. So when it touches on the lower line, then you can buy. But when it touches on the upper line, then you can sell. So this is how you can use it. So if you don't want to use 2, you can use 3. So the good thing with 3, it gives you more accurate signals. So you can see that with 2, it had touched on the lines, but with 3 it is almost very far. So once it touches, when you are using 3 and it touches on the upper line, that means that you can sell. So once it touches on the lower line, this means that you can buy. But it depends on the trending line. If you are in the downtrend, then you can't buy here. But if you are on the upper trend, as you can see from here, then here you can buy actually. So here, this is the line. This is where you can buy from. This is where you can buy from. This is how you can use a 3 deviation. So with the setting done, Bollinger Bands consist of trending continuation, as you can see from here, that it started from here. Bollinger Bands also consists of market consolidation, like this one, and this one means that it might break downwards or upwards depending on the moving of the price. It also has a large volatility like this one. When there is an increment in the volatility, the band widens like this, and when there is low volatility, then it contrasts like this, as you can see from here. The upper line sometimes is referred to be overbought, and the lower line sometimes is called oversold. These lines works in very many ways. This one can also work, these lines can work also as average lines or moving averages, and they also acts as support and resistance. Bollinger Bands also consists of a squeeze. So when the oversold and the overbought, they are almost the same, it squeezes so that it can predict another trending line. And if it is in a squeeze, it means that it might go in the downtrend, or it might go on the upper trend depending on the market and the price action. So how can you use support and resistance in Bollinger Bands? Right from here, this one can act as our support, then this one as a resistance. When the price moves from this support and it goes to the resistance, so it means that you wait from here. So once it breaks this line, this means this one starts to work as a support and this one starts to act as a resistance. So that is how you can use support and resistance in Bollinger Bands. And the same applies to moving average. Moving average, I'll give you a lesson as I told you, but this one can act as a support still, and this one as a resistance with moving average. But all that one can work when the trend of the price is your friend. But if it is in the downtrend, like here, like here, like here, this means that you have oversold and you can't buy from this price. So it means that you wait for it to break. How can you understand that you're about to break from the downtrend? In most cases, so when our price moves and touches on the lower line and also goes up to the upper line, this means that we have broken the downtrend and now we have started the upper trend. And the same applies to upper trend. So when it touches on the upper line and it comes straight away up to the lower line, this means that we have started the downtrend, as you can see an example. So in most cases, when you are in downtrend, don't buy these touches like this one, like this one, like this one. These ones, they are not signals, but they are trying to show you that the market is weakening, the bearers are weakening, and soon they are starting another trending line. So hope you have understood everything as I've told you. Please, if you haven't liked on this video, please like and comment. With that said, we meet again.